Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many developers face when trying to achieve a CSS animation parallax effect across different browsers. The issue lies in the compatibility of the animation timeline property, particularly in Safari and Mozilla browsers. The goal is to convert the CSS animation into JavaScript using a polyfill to ensure cross-browser compatibility. In the solution provided, we make use of JavaScript to create the desired parallax effect. By targeting the video element within a specific data section ID, we set up a ScrollTimeline object with the necessary parameters. The key lies in the animation function, where we define the transformation from translate y0 to translate y33 VH over a duration of 1000 milliseconds. Additionally, we include range start and range end properties to adjust the animation range based on scroll behavior for a smoother effect. Now, let's delve deeper into the solution regarding the conversion of the CSS animation to JavaScript. We incorporate conditional logic to determine the appropriate format for range start and range end based on browser support. In browsers that support ScrollTimeline, we use an object format with a range name of cover and respective offsets. For browsers requiring the polyfill, we utilize the CSS unit value function to define the range in percentage terms. This approach ensures a consistent parallax effect across different browser environments, maintaining the desired visual outcome. To recap, we successfully address the compatibility issues by transitioning the CSS animation to JavaScript with the aid of a polyfill for cross-browser support. By adjusting the animation range dynamically based on scroll behavior, we achieve the cohesive parallax effect that enhances the visual appeal of the design. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this solution. Happy coding, and see you in the next video with more tech tips and tricks.